Hello and welcome. I'm Reshma Shah, a pediatrician, an award-winning author, a mom, and a home cook. And today, as part of my series, Veggie Magic, Elevating Vegetables from Ordinary to Extraordinary, I'm going to be sharing my recipe for easy Aloo Gobi. Aloo Gobi is a traditional Indian recipe made from aloo, potatoes, gobi, cauliflower, as well as aromatics and spices. Now, this is not my mom's aloo gobi, and to be honest, I think it would be highly unlikely that she would ever prepare a dish in the way that I'm about to show you. But for a simple, delicious vegetable side dish that's perfect for a busy weeknight dinner, this recipe checks off all the boxes. So I would classify this as one of my Indian-ish recipes, modified to fit our busy schedules, but inspired by the flavors that I grew up with. It captures the essence and flavor of traditional aloo gobi, but with a lot less hassle and work. The flavor is also a bit on the milder side, so it's a great dish to introduce someone that might be a little bit more selective to this type of food. Now, if you haven't made traditional aloo gobi, it's definitely worth making. The flavors are more layered and complex. I like Nisha Vora from Rainbow Plant Life's version, and you should definitely check out her recipe if you want to give the more traditional version a try. But if you're looking for the easiest way to enjoy aloo gobi without reaching for the takeout menu, then this dish is for you. What I love about this dish is that after the initial prep work, you're pretty much going to put it in the oven and let it roast while you prepare the rest of dinner. This vegetable dish would pair perfectly with my chana masala and my tofu tikka masala. Before we make this dish, here's a little vegetable spotlight on cauliflower. Cauliflower is a cruciferous vegetable in the brassica family, which also includes nutrient-packed vegetables such as broccoli, kale, bok choy, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts. Rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C, beta-carotene, and various phytonutrients, cruciferous vegetables play a vital role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease. Additionally, cauliflower contains glucosinolates, which are sulfur-containing compounds recognized for their anti-cancer properties. The bioactive compounds found in cruciferous vegetables, including sulforaphane, may help reduce chronic inflammation in the body, which is associated with various health problems, including heart disease, diabetes, and autoimmune conditions. Cauliflower is high in vitamins and minerals. It's an excellent source of vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, vitamin B6, potassium, and manganese. It also contains fiber, choline, and even a couple of grams of protein in a 1-cup serving. Cauliflower has a mild, slightly sweet and nutty flavor profile. When raw, cauliflower has a crisp texture and slightly peppery notes, but its flavor becomes more muted and sweeter when cooked. It absorbs many flavors depending on how it's cooked and what seasonings and sauces are added. Cauliflower is an incredibly versatile vegetable. It can be enjoyed raw, roasted, steamed, mashed, or pureed in soups for a creamy texture. Of course, we've all seen cauliflower crust for pizza and cauliflower steaks. In my recent video, I even show you how to add cauliflower to your morning smoothie. And now, let's make this easy aloo gobi. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and lining a baking tray with parchment paper. While the oven is preheating, you can prepare your vegetables. Chop 1 large or 2 small cauliflower heads into bite-sized florets. Next, slice 3 small yellow potatoes into thin slices. In traditional aloo gobi, the potatoes are cut into bigger chunks, but cutting them in thinner slices cuts down on cooking time and ensures that they will be cooked by the time the cauliflower is done roasting. Slice a small onion or half of a medium onion and a red bell pepper into thin slices. Traditional aloo gobi contains chopped tomato, but I'm replacing that with red bell pepper to give it the color and sweetness without the added moisture. That's the hard part of this dish. Now you simply toss it with a little bit of olive oil, about a teaspoon of salt, about a tablespoon of curry powder, and freshly ground black pepper. Roasting in the oven and using a curry powder blend makes this dish incredibly easy to prepare. And spread that out in as even a layer as possible. Roast in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes until the vegetables are slightly browned and tender, tossing halfway through. To finish the dish, garnish with fresh cilantro. My whole family loves this easy as pie aloo gobi, and I hope you'll give it a try. If you'd like to see more plant-based recipes as well as nutrition and cooking tips, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.